getting some national and international attention for a discovery he made while looking at a Google map of Mars. David Martins posted a video on YouTube of what looks like a structure on the surface of the red planet, and as Bill Holter shows us, the video has created quite a buzz here on Earth.
This is a video...
It has gotten more than 1 million hits. Newspapers and internet sites around the world are wondering what it is.
Whoever put it up there had a purpose, I'm sure.
David Martins thinks he may have stumbled upon proof of life on Mars.
This is not a conspiracy. This is something that you can actually go to Google Mars and you can see this on their map.
It's over 700 feet long and 150 feet wide.
Martins calls the apparent structure Biostation Alpha, but planetary geologist Alfred McEwen says not so fast. McEwen thinks Biostation Alpha is simply a glitch in the image caused by cosmic energy interfering with the camera. McEwen says with space images that are taken outside our magnetosphere, such as those taken by orbiting telescopes, it's very common to see these cosmic ray hits. Martins says he's not an astronomy expert and doesn't know what the image is, but isn't sold on McEwen's explanation.
He says that it's a glitch caused by a reflection of the sun, but even he doesn't know what camera took the picture, and even he doesn't know where the raw data exists.
Martins says his email inbox has exploded since he posted his video, and he has been contacted by national news organizations for interviews. He sent a number of emails to NASA for an explanation, but has yet to hear back from them. I also reached out to NASA for comment, but did not get a response. John?
All right, Bill Holter, thank you for that. Now, if you want to take a look at Martins' video to judge for yourself, we've posted a link to the full version in the news link section of KSBY.com.
Good for you.
A deadly bacteria is spreading through
Thanks for
Europe.
not mentioning
Where is
California.
it coming